Weight loss products. 8 amazing weight loss products. Weight loss products. A list of products that promote weight loss, but you can safely enjoy them without feeling guilty. It is well known that calorie restriction contributes to weight loss. But much more important is what we eat. If you are on a diet, food consumed should not only be nutritious, but also contribute to weight loss. There are products for weight loss, the main thing to know them. Losing weight can, and should, be healthy and effective. If you give preference to products with a low content of calories but high nutritional value, the presence of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, then you can lose up to 5 kilograms in 6 weeks and feel the energy boost. Below you will find a list of 8 amazing foods that promote weight loss, but you can safely enjoy them without feeling guilty. 1. Broccoli, a great source of protein and calcium. Broccoli will give you a feeling of satiety and will serve as a delicious addition to salads seasoned with sesame dressing. 2. Cabbage. This vegetable plant is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, and provides excellent immunity support. Cabbage blends wonderfully with apples and ginger. It can serve as a good substitute for lettuce, so you get a low-calorie, but healthy dish. 3. Cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable family contains special substances that help fight cancer cells. Rich in vitamin C and folic acid, cauliflower strengthens the body's immune system. It is especially useful for pregnant women, since during the period of bearing a child, the sufficient presence of folic acid in the diet of a future mother acquires special significance. Cauliflower can, for example, be added to soups, and for greater effectiveness, can be eaten raw. 4. Grapefruit. Red fruit is a real storehouse of nutrients for maintaining heart health. Grapefruit provides tremendous benefits to the immune system, with large doses of vitamin C, folic acid, and potassium. In addition, the fruit contains pectins, lowering blood cholesterol. Dietary fiber, prevention of atherosclerosis, naringin, speeding up metabolism. Fruits with pink or red ruby flesh contain vitamin A and lycopene, the strongest antioxidant, which protects the walls of arteries from oxidative damage and reduces the risk of heart disease. When choosing a grapefruit, take not the largest but rather heavy for its size fruits. 5. Salad. Lettuce, one of the lowest calorie and affordable foods, 100 grams contains just 12 kilocalories. It is difficult to find a richer source of B vitamins, folic acid, and blood glucose regulating manganese. Leaves of dark green color are richest in useful substances. However, they can be supplemented with red leaves, seasoning everything with your favorite sauce. 6. Radish. Radish roots are very rich in potassium. These fun red-pink vegetables are full of folic acid, antioxidants, and sulfur, substances that improve appetite and digestion. And by the way, radish greens contain 6 times more vitamin C than root crops themselves. 7. Spinach. Green spinach leaves are rich in folic acid, vitamin K, antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, lutein, which protects against complex eye disease, macular degeneration. Add spinach leaves to lettuce, scrambled eggs or Greek salad with low-fat feta cheese and tomatoes. And here you have a delicious and healthy breakfast. 8. Proteins. Lean meats, legumes, and crops, especially quinoa, contain the protein needed for muscle growth. High-protein food provides a feeling of fullness long after eating. Protein stabilizes and even boosts your mood. Improves brain function and is relatively low in calories. Every meal you eat must have at least one protein source. Then you can normally eat and avoid small snacks.